Hello friends, I am Physio Purnima Bharat. I am musculoskeletal and sports rehab physiotherapist at HealthQ Rehab. Today I want to tell you about what are the benefits of losing weight with knee pain. There are many benefits by losing weight with knee pain. So today we can discuss few of the benefits. The first benefit of losing weight with knee pain is you can improve your quality of life. That is, by decreasing knee pain, you will be increasing quality of life. The second benefit of losing weight with knee pain is you can decrease your chemicals which are causing chronic inflammation in your joint. The third benefit of losing weight with knee pain is you can decrease about 40 pounds of your body weight, that is the force that is having on your knee joint, by losing 1 pound. That is the major benefit you will be getting by losing weight. The fourth and the most important benefit which you will be getting is you can prevent your surgical intervention by losing weight and by preventing more damage to your joint. Benefit of losing weight with knee pain is you can boost your confidence levels, that the fear of pain will be reduced when you have lost weight. So these are the main benefits of losing weight with knee pain. We have many programs at HealthQ which can decrease your pain and help you better, and one of the program is Rehab program, where you can lose weight with effective safe exercises, which is a completely online program with a small batch size which can help you lose weight even when you are suffering from pain. So you can reach out to us there and we are ready to help you. Thank you.